This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Chambers. Magnolia built home with all the upgrades. Stunning floor plan featuring a gourmet kitchen with stainless steel Frigidaire appliances, gas cooking, breakfast bar and overlooking the rustic hearth room with cedar beams and classic stone fireplace. Extra bonuses include 12 by 10 laundry room, coffee bar area, loft/sitting area/office, friends entrance with lockers, Jack and Jill bath, closets galore and multiple walk-in attic areas. Plantation shutters. Screened sun porch. Privacy fence. Energy efficient. For more information, review the details below or contact Chambers at 901-861-4808.